Hey guys, it's Imacblaine, and I'm doing a security video for this box that I just got in. 20 pounds of rolled coins. The box that I got is really damaged and beaten up. Let's see if I can set this here and show you guys. Sorry about that. Alright, so yeah, I got this box in. And it's a little bit beat up. It's a big, heavy 20-pound box. I already weighed it. It's 21.5 pounds. There's definite damage. The coins in the inside are loose. You can see some have already fallen out. And I'm a little bit upset about that, but I'm not going to complain because I did weigh it, and it weighs 21.5 pounds. The box is about 7 pounds. See, I don't know if you guys could see that, but I just dumped it upside down. 2 more coins just fell out, so I'm pretty sure that there's been some coins lost. You can see them all right there. I just pulled another one out. So, very important to make sure that you tape it up, because this is a great tape job. He got all the sides done, but there's certain areas like right here, and of course right there on that edge that could have used more tape. And I'm not gonna blow out names or anything. If you know who you are, you know who you are. And I appreciate you sending this, because shipping, I don't know if you can see this, shipping cost was $14. And I got these at about $8 a pound, $7 a pound. Supposed to be some high grade stuff in here. He said that it's not a melt lot. So I'm gonna grab my scissors, I'll do an unboxing security video. I'm gonna actually post this one, because this is an example of a good packing job that has certain areas. Like this right here doesn't have tape on the very edge. That's a bust area. This side is taped all the way around. There's no damage to it. This side is basically taped, but the areas that don't have tape are damaged. Alright. So, I know my camera's sitting there going wonky. So I'll grab my scissors, I'll be right back. Alright, so I picked this up in a coin group off of Facebook. Just sort of one of those things. It was, a weekday night. And he goes, is anyone interested in some world coins? And a couple people asked, what's the pictures look like? What's the going price on the stuff? And he said that he had 10 to 20 pounds. Originally he said that he would do 10 for, I think it was 90. Or no, he said 10 for 100 and then dropped it to 10 for 90. And then he said if you buy all 20 pounds that you'll do 160. So, I thought, okay, good deal. He didn't have any pictures up. And I said, I'll buy it, give it 2 hours. He posted pictures and I said, give it 2 hours and I'll buy it if no one else does. And there's some proof coins. So he did say that there was a lot of uncirculated and proof coins. This is a no silver lot. And it looks like most of the coins are still in there. If this had weighed less than 20 pounds, then I probably would have been messaging him and messaging the post office and being like, hey, what's going on with this box? But, he tried his best to secure it. It looks like he had everything in bags. And it looks like the bag just busted inside of the box, and that's the post office's fault. Now, I work for a package delivery company myself, and I know that we are not easygoing on the packages. If it's heavy, then it could be stacked on top of like 10 other boxes. You make one turn or hit one speed bump and all that stuff falls. And you don't know if it's going to be the first stop or the 20th stop. There's another proof. So anyway, a good reason to be careful, because I showed you those that were out, and then when I was flipping it, showing you guys these two fell out. I pulled this one out by hand. I mean, you know, you just gotta make sure that you prepare for the unexpected, because the post office isn't gonna think about it. It's gonna be like, oh, it dropped. They aren't gonna go and look on their van floor. They're not gonna look in their warehouse floor and go, there's stuff that's broken in here. Looks like we can't deliver this package. They're gonna drop it off unless it's totally destroyed. So it's on us sellers, you know, to make sure that it's right. Overall though, I think I'm gonna be happy with what's in this lot. Yeah, and like I said, this was a security video. I was opening it because I wanted to make sure that it wasn't a bag of rocks or anything. But I am going to post this one, and I do this with every single package that I get, no matter it be from a big company or from someone local. There's a nice Egypt coin. Just for security reasons. But there they all are. It looks like nothing but coins all the way down to the bottom. There is a earring. Looks like a coin that's been soldered on to an earring clip. And it's holding those other two coins. I'm gonna have to use two hands. I already see some higher grade coins, like things that aren't just trash. And that was something else, you know. He said there's no, it's not a melter lot. So it's not just a bunch of coins that should be melted down. There's a few marks here and there, but that's common. Foreign coins don't get treated with as much as a lot of coins do. There is a proof. I like these. These are one of my favorite coins. Okay. So yeah, it's definitely 20 pounds. I don't know why my camera isn't wanting to focus. But it is 20 pounds, as you can see. I showed you guys the damage at first. So, security video, it's right. It's all good. It came out to 21.5 pounds with this packaging material, with the coins, and with the box. Even with the damage. So there was nothing that fell out, like, right off the bat. There's a proof Bahama. I like that. So, you know, if you're gonna ship something, especially if it weighs more than 10 pounds, use as much tape as possible, because this was a great tape job, and it was those sides right where they dropped it. They dropped it on one end, it crumpled, and right there's a big hole, and I feel like that's where a lot of those little ones fell out. Yeah, so just be careful shipping. If you're a buyer, you know, you wouldn't want to get something, so just think about it if you were expecting a package. Think about it if you were to drop it off of a 3-foot high table. Is it going to crumple and cause a little tear where things could fall out as it travels for 1,000 miles plus? You just keep those things in mind. So yeah, I'll be bringing you guys overviews of world coins pretty soon. I know I've been doing a lot of silver, and I've actually started to do pin videos, but I really want to do world coins here pretty soon. There's just so much information that's hard to find, like the engravers. I can't find engravers anywhere for a lot of countries. And then other countries you can find them easy. So, thank you guys for tuning in to watch this. and have a wonderful rest of your day.